Let's flip it around so you can see it right here. And there we go, I'm underneath the table. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're gonna be checking out the Mainstays 20-inch by 40-inch folding table. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail packaging right here, just a very generic box, letting us know that this is a folding table. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. You can see we have our folding table right here. It folds right in half down the middle. We have a nice carrying handle up top. This is very portable. You can see it from the other side. Here it is from this side. Check it out. We have our little tab here to pull, to release, so we can unfold the table. And you can see it from the hinge side as well. So now let's go back to this side. Let's pull this to release it. And sure enough, there you go. You can see what the underside of the table looks like with a warning sticker, and we have our instructions to open and close. So here are the legs, and you can see we can just expand those right out. And that's going to be obviously the lowest height setting right here. And then when we're done, we can just press to release, and you can see they can go right back in, and we can fold it up. And the last thing we would have to do is we have a little lever right here, and that's how we can loosen the hinge and fold everything back in place. Now let's go ahead, just for fun, let's flip it around so you can see it right here. And there we go, I'm underneath the table. Now let's go ahead, let's set it up in a larger space so we can really look at it in more detail. So you can see the table right here at its shortest height setting. This is gonna be 17.5 inches. Now let's go ahead, let's raise it higher. Now you can see the table at its max height, and we're right at around 27.5 inches. There's one more height setting in the middle. Now we have it set to that setting, and that's 24.5 inches. So you can see on this leg right here where we have it set, and then we have the maximum height setting that we just looked at right there. So you have those two options, and you can set it at the shortest setting. I'm really happy with this table. I use it all the time here in my studio. It holds my audio mixer and additional equipment. It's very lightweight and portable, and it works great. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.